How to use options chain. Options are an effective trading product that can help investors hedge risks, leverage investments, and boost income. If you want to select options for a particular stock, go to Options Chain on Moomoo. Where to find Options Chain? 1. Go to a stock's Detailed Quotes page. 2. Tap Options Chain. How to utilize Options Chain. All options with a particular expiration date are displayed by default. To view only calls or puts, tap Call Put. Switch to a different expiration date by selecting the desired date. Out-of-the-money options are displayed in white, while in-the-money options are displayed in blue. Scroll horizontally to view more information about the available options. At the bottom of the screen, you can switch between different trading strategies. Let's look at an example. Let's say you own Apple stock, but you expect it to fluctuate and decrease in value in the coming month. To hedge your risks, you decide to buy put options. Here's how to do it using Moomoo's options chain. 1. Open Moomoo AAPL Options Chain Put Options. 2. Select an expiration date. 3. Choose a strike price, such as $190. 4. Use the pop-up trade bar to select buy or sell. Adjust the quantity and view the profit-loss estimate for the option. 5. Tap the option symbol on the trade bar for detailed information and access to a price calculator for insights. 6. Confirm your strategy, then tap Trade to place your option order. How can I change the layout of Options Chain? If you want to customize the way Options Chain is displayed, there are several settings you can adjust. Tap on the Settings icon located in the upper right corner. 1. Use Expiration Type to filter weekly, monthly, and quarterly expiring options. 2. Customize the layout and scrolling direction to your preference. 3. The Strike Setting option allows you to view just in-the-money or out-of-the-money options and change the number of options displayed. 4. Modify the columns displayed in Data columns as needed. For example, you can move Turnover and Open Interest and Implied Volatility columns forward. 5. Choose to show or hide the call-put ratio visual and the current price line to help ascertain option prices. 6. Switch on Non-Standard Options to show non-standard options in the chain. That's it. To learn more about options trading, check out our Learn section. Thanks for watching.